Hello, lovely people. Today I'm excited to share the wonders of Palo Santo with you. Now, if you've never heard of Palo Santo, it's time to get acquainted. This mystical tree hails from South America, often nicknamed Holy Wood. It's been used for centuries by shamans for its spiritual and healing properties. But what makes Palo Santo so special for our health? Let's dive in. First, Palo Santo is renowned for its incredible ability to reduce inflammation. The essential oils extracted from its wood contain terpenes like limonene and A-terpineol, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Using Palo Santo oil can help soothe joint pain, muscle aches, and even arthritis. Next up, let's talk about its fantastic stress-relieving properties. Palo Santo has a warm, woody scent that instantly calms the mind. Studies suggest that inhaling its aroma can lower cortisol levels, our body's primary stress hormone. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, lighting up a Palo Santo stick could be just what you need to unwind. Now, onto its immune-boosting benefits. Palo Santo is packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals in our body. These free radicals are the culprits behind aging and many diseases. Incorporating Palo Santo into your wellness routine can help strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling vibrant. But that's not all. Palo Santo also has antimicrobial properties. This means it can help purify the air, making it an excellent natural disinfectant. Burning Palo Santo can cleanse your space, warding off bacteria and viruses, plus it leaves your home smelling divine. Curious about how to use Palo Santo? It's super versatile. You can burn the wood sticks, use the essential oil in a diffuser, or even apply diluted oil to your skin. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Before I go, a quick safety note. Always ensure you're sourcing your Palo Santo ethically. Overharvesting can threaten this precious tree's survival. Look for certified sustainable products to support responsible harvesters. So, there you have it, the amazing health benefits of Palo Santo. Whether you're looking to ease pain, reduce stress, boost your immune system, or purify your space, Palo Santo has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay healthy and serene. Until next time, take care.